What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today, guys, I'm going to show you how to go and promote this offer. It's called Glucotrust, and it's an offer that is selling very well on Clickbank. And I'm going to show you how other affiliates are promoting this offer, so you can go and promote it as well and start making some money using 100% free traffic, so you don't have to go and invest any money at all. What I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to show you people that are promoting this same offer right here, the exact method that are using to go and promote this offer, so you can go and do what they're doing already if you want to go and promote this offer and start making money. And you can go and do this as well and promote any other diabetes offer on Clickbank using this exact method that I'm going to show you in this particular video. So be sure to go and watch step by step to the end. Take action on this method because this is a proven method that is working. People are already using this method, so you know that there's no guesswork involved. You're just going to see what people are already doing. You can go and model what they're already doing and start making some money. And I'm going to show you the best way to go and model them and start making money. Start as fast promoting this particular offer right here, Glucotrust, and you can go and promote any diabetes offer as well on Clickbank using the exact method I'm going to show you in this video. So be sure to go and take action on this method if you want to go and see results. So you go to affiliate marketplace right on Clickbank. Just go right here, just go and click on search. You're going to see a lot of offers from here, and you're going to go, you can see right here is the top offers. You scroll down here and you go, for example, to the next page. Right here you can see right at the bottom right here, you can see right here this offer is called Glucotrust, and you can see it has a gravity of up to 244, which means that a lot of people are promoting this offer and they're making money. And I'm going to show you the best way to go and do that. And you can see you can go and earn up to $137 plus per sale, and you can see you can go and earn up to $150 plus. So what they're going to do, they're going to go right here to the offer. Let's open the offer from here, and also you're going to go to affiliate support page, affiliate page right here. You're going to find a lot more information on how to go and promote this offer from here. You can see the sales page. And it's going to go and help people that have diabetes. It's going to help them to go and reduce, for example, their blood sugar levels, etc. And you're going to go and look for people that are suffering from this, and you're going to go and promote this offer to them. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you guys how to go and do in this video, so you can go and get a very targeted traffic and start making sales fast, because many people need to buy this offer from here, but you need to go and find the right audience. Once you find the right audience, you're going to make money very easily selling these offers right here. If you go to affiliate support page, you're going to find out a lot more information from here, how much you're going to get paid, etc. And you can go and find a lot more tools from here. So that's it, guys. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and you're going to get notified anytime that I post new videos just like this one that will help you guys to make money online. So I post a lot of videos on how to make money on Clickbank, Digital24, etc. using both free methods and paid traffic methods. And you want to go and get notified the next time that I'm going to post the next video showing you guys simple ways to go and promote different affiliate offers on Clickbank. Be sure to go and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. Let me show you guys what to go and do from here. So you can see from here the offer actually sells very well, it converts very well. A lot of affiliates are making money from it. So we're going to promote this to the right audience, you're going to guarantee to make sales. So I'm going to go and show you guys two methods to go and promote this right here with examples of people that are already doing this exact methods right here. So the first step to go and promote this offer very effectively, the first step is that you're going to go and create a landing page, and you can go and create the very simple free tools that you can go and use to go and create a landing page right here. So let me show you guys, for example, this is an example landing page from here, but this one is about weight loss. So in your case, promoting this offer is going to be about diabetes, and you're going to go and input, for example, images from here that you can go and find on the affiliate support page, and you're going to have a link, a call to action link, like a button right here. There's going to, people can click and go back to that affiliate offer. So you can see right here, this is not a very good landing page. I'm just showing you guys as an example. So there are tools that you can go and use. You can go and use this tool. It's called system.io. I use it to create my own landing pages as well, and it's a 100% free tool. You can go to this website right here, system.io, sign up for a free account. You can go and type on YouTube how to create a landing page with system.io. It can go and take you less than 10 minutes to go and create a landing page on this website, and it's completely free. And also, if you want to go and get started very fast without creating a landing page, you can go and use, for example, Linktree to go and create a simple landing page. And this way you're going to input your affiliate links, because you don't want to go and direct link from these platforms that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, because if you direct link, your links are going to get blocked, you're not going to get any traffic, and so you're not going to be making money, you're going to be working and you're not going to be seeing money. So I recommend that you go and always have a landing page like Linktree, or create, for example, one on system.io, ClickFunnels, etc. So you can see, for example, Linktree. Your Linktree link is going to look something like this, and you're going to have your links just like this. When people click on this, they're going to go back to your affiliate offer. So pay very close attention from here. So let me show you guys exactly what you're going to go and do from here. So let me show you the first method to go and promote this very easily by showing you examples of people that are doing this exact method right here. So the first step is you're going to go right here to Pinterest. So this is the first method. I'm going to show you how to go and promote this. I'm going to show you the second method. So be sure to pay very close attention because you want to go and use both methods to go and promote this offer right here. So you can see, for example, this is an example account right. You can see it's called Diabetes Strong, and you can see right here they're posting simple, so for example, you can see right here simple images right here promoting their affiliate offer. And if anybody click on the links right here, if anybody click on these images right here and go to their affiliate link, they're going to make a sale. You can see, for example, this one, if I click on this right here, it's going to take me back to their affiliate website. So this one is a bigger account. So let me show you guys also smaller accounts. So you don't need to go and have any followers to go and get started with this. You don't need to go and have any followers. You can go and get started as soon as today, and you can go and start getting targeted traffic starting as soon as today if you are going to follow the exact method I'm going to show you right here. So let me show you guys another example account right. You can see right here blood sugar control, diabetes remedies, and weight loss remedies. You can see from here they're doing the exact method just like this one. They're posting images from here just like this one, and they're promoting their affiliate offer. You can see from here they're using Linktree to link people back to the affiliate offer. So if anybody go right here, so let me click on this one for example. If I click on this Linktree link, it's going to take me right here. You can see they're promoting their Glucotrust affiliate offer from here. If I click on this link, so you can see when I click on this link right here, it's going to take me to this offer right here. You can see they're promoting Glucotrust using this exact method I'm showing you guys right here, just by posting this on Pinterest. But there's a better way to go and do this, and the better way to go and do this to get targeted traffic even 10 times faster is by posting what is called idea pins on Pinterest. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and mix these images right here. You can just go to these accounts that I've shown you guys from here. You can go and download some of these image pins from here and repost them back on your own Pinterest account. And what you're going to do is you're going to mix them with idea pins, which are small video pins. So I recommend that you go and post a lot more videos, because videos tend to get 10 times more traffic right here on Pinterest than images. So I'm going to show you where to go and get these videos very easily for free in the second method. So the first method is that you're going to go and create an account like this on Pinterest. As you can see, these are people that are already doing this, and there are thousands of other people that are already doing this exact method right here on Pinterest using 100% free traffic. And you're going to make sure to go and input the link back to your affiliate offer in the description right here. So let me show you guys the second method, and I'm going to show you how to go and get the videos to go and post on Pinterest very easily. So pay close attention right here. So the second method is by going to TikTok. So you can see right here, if I type, for example, diabetes recipe, you're going to find a lot of videos about diabetes right here that many people are posting. But let me show you guys people that are promoting the same affiliate offer right here that we're going to be promoting, called Glucotrust on TikTok, using this exact method right here. So let me show you guys the first example. You can see this particular account, you can see he has up to 42,000 followers, and you can see right here they're promoting this same Glucotrust affiliate offer on TikTok. And you can see from here what they're doing is that they're posting recipe videos. So you can see they're taking a lot of different videos about diabetes, and they're posting on this particular page from here. So this is what you can do as well. You can just go to this page as I've shown you guys from here. You can go and download these videos. You can go and post them back on your own TikTok account about diabetes, and you can go and input a link back to your own diabetes offer right here. So let me show you guys another example. So first of all, let me click on this link. You can see right here they have the call to action: diabetes cure, blood sugar balance. If I click on this link, it's going to take me to the landing page. You can see right here, click on this, and this landing page is going to take me back to the Glucotrust affiliate offer on Clickbank. So people are doing this already, and they're already promoting these offers, and they're already making money. You can go and follow what they're already doing, and you're going to go and start getting results as well. So you can see it's going to take me to the landing page, and you can see from here they're now actually doing a very good job at creating a landing page. You're going to make sure to go and create a better landing page more than this one, or you can just go and use, for example, Linktree just like this one, and create a very simple landing page. So you can see from here, if I click on diabetes treatment, if I click on this, it's going to take me straight back to that Glucotrust offer on Clickbank. You can see from here, take me straight to the offer. So people are doing this already, and they're promoting their offers. So let me show you guys another example. So you can see, for example, this account is called GlucoWise, you can see he has up to 29,000 followers, and it's just by posting, for example, these same images. You can see from here, these are images that have just been turned to videos. So if I look at these videos from here, you're going to see that they look familiar and they look like the same videos right here on Pinterest. So let me show you guys right here. So they've just taken these videos from here, this type of images from here, and they've just turned it to a video, and they've posted this on TikTok. So what you can do as well is I can go and download some of these images from here and turn it to a video, and you're going to put a call to action inside the description of all of your videos that they should go and click on the link in your bio to go and get the diabetes remedy, and they're going to click and they're going to go straight back to your affiliate offers. You can see from here they're posting these simple videos right here every single day. They're getting views and they're getting free traffic back to their affiliate offer, because people that are going to be watching these videos are people that are already looking for ways to go and lower their blood sugar levels, and that is diabetes, and many people are going to go and buy these offers right here. So you can see this is the call to action. You can see lower blood sugar level today. If I click on this link, so let me click on this, you're going to see that it's going to go and take me straight to the affiliate offer from here. So you can see right here, you can see it's going to take me to the link, and you can see they're using a similar landing page just like Linktree. If I click on this right here, it's going to take me straight back to that Glucotrust offer right here. You can see right here, straight back to the offer on Clickbank. So what I do in these videos is that I go and look for people that are already promoting similar offers on Clickbank and they're already making money, and I show you guys what they're already doing. So if you don't know how to go and promote those offers, you can just go and follow what people are already doing and do the exact method, and you can go and get targeted traffic and make sales as well. So you can see from here, it's very easy. You can just go and take these videos, these images, for example, on Pinterest, and you can just go and turn them to videos and post them on TikTok and be promoting your affiliate offer. You're going to be getting free traffic every single day, and you're going to be getting sales right here promoting this offer. So this is the right way. You can see this example accounts. There are still a lot more other accounts on TikTok that are doing this exact method, but these two accounts right here, they're doing it the right way. They're posting, for example, recipes, etc., and they're promoting their diabetes offer on TikTok. So let me show you guys an example account that is doing it the wrong way, and this is the way that you don't want to go and promote this offer right here. So let me show you guys an example. Let me show you guys an example account. You can see this one. You can see it's called Glucotrust, and you can see from here what they're doing is that they're just posting, for example, the offer. You can see they're posting the offer, and most of the time they're not going to get any sale at all, because this is not the right way. The best way to go and do this is by providing value. Once you provide value, then you can go and send people back to your affiliate offer, just like this one. So let me show you guys an example. So I see from, if I click on this video, so you can go to these videos as well. After watching this video, you can go to this account and you can go and learn more, and you can go and watch these videos for yourself. So these videos are going to go and provide value, and the person is going to be interested in this account. That's why most of them are going to go and follow the account, and then they're going to see a call to action right here, and many people are going to go to the bio and buy the offer. If you want to go and get targeted traffic and make a lot of money, is by providing value. And to go and provide this value, guys, is very easy. You can just go and download, for example, these videos right here and post them back on your own TikTok account. So let me show you how to go and get a lot more content. So to go and get a lot more content just like this right here, what you're going to do is you can go to TikTok and type, for example, diabetes remedies. You can see from here, diabetes remedies. You're going to find thousands of diabetes remedies that are already been posted on TikTok. All you're going to do is you're going to go and you can go and download these videos, or you can go and do a duet with these videos and post them back on your own TikTok account, or you can go and take these videos and post them back on Pinterest. So I recommend that you go and take these videos, post them on TikTok, and also post them on Pinterest as idea pins, because you're going to get a lot more impressions on Pinterest if you're going to be posting a lot more videos. And on TikTok, you're going to go and post their videos as well. So you can see from here, these are diabetes videos. You can see right here. So what you can do is you can go and look, for example, for diabetes videos that doesn't have any face in it. You can see this one has a face in it. You can just go and look for the one that just shows the recipes. And what you're going to do is that inside the description of your bio on TikTok and on Pinterest, you're going to make sure to go and write a call to action. For example, click on the link in the bio to go and get the diabetes remedy, and you're going to see a lot of people that are going to watch these videos. They're going to get a lot of value from these videos, and they can go and learn how to go and lower their blood sugar levels or their diabetes by clicking the link in the bio and buying your affiliate offer. So you can see from here, if I scroll down from here, you're going to find a lot of videos. There are a lot of recipe videos on TikTok that you can go and find. You can go and download these videos. You can go and post them back on your own TikTok account, on your own Pinterest account, and link people back to your affiliate offer. You can see from here there's unlimited content to go and do this. So that's guys, so I wanted to show you guys a simple way they can go and promote your affiliate offer, this particular offer right here, Glucotrust, on and start making some money by showing you guys what other people are already doing to go and promote this offer. So sometimes there are a lot of offers that are converting very well on Clickbank, but people don't know how other affiliates are promoting those offers and making money. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this series. I'm going to take different affiliate offers on Clickbank and I'm going to show you exactly how affiliates are promoting those offers. So if you want to go and promote those offers, you can go and use the exact methods as well and promote those offers and make some money without having to do all the guesswork. So I just show you guys what is already working so that you can go and do the same method as well and start making money very fast without having to do a lot of guesswork. So that's guys, you're just going to go and download these videos. You're going to go to Pinterest and all you're going to do is you're going to go and post them right here. You can see from here, many people are just posting images which don't get a lot of views. You're going to make sure to go and post a lot of videos. So that's guys, it's very easy. All you're going to do, you're going to post a lot more videos on Pinterest and you're going to post a lot more videos as well on TikTok, and you can go and promote this offer and make money. You can see from here people are already doing this method and they're promoting their different affiliate offers and they're getting free traffic and they're making money promoting the same offer. If you want to go and promote this offer, you can go and do this as well and make money, and it's completely free. You don't have to go and spend any more money at all. So that's guys, if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as I'm going to be posting more videos just like this one, showing you guys different products and different methods that affiliates are promoting these offers and making money, so they can go and replicate it and do it as well and start making money. So that's it. Take action on this method and I'm going to see you in the next video.